Good day, guys. Being here today, we're going to model this wall family. Okay, so I'm not sure what exactly this is called, but can be a concrete wall. So this will be the family. So we're going to use curtain wall to model it. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. First, let's have a look at this CAD drawing. So this is a section of this wall. Okay, section of the wall, and this is the plan view. So the horizontal section of this wall. So as we can see, so what we can do is we can model this as a curtain wall, and we are going to model this as mullions. So 1, 2, 3 different profile for the vertical mullions, and for horizontal we'll have 1 and 2. Okay, so let's start. So first I'm going to just create a new profile. Actually we need 5 of them, so profile. And okay, so now let's load this. So insert, import CAD. So I'm going to just import this. So download. Let's import this. Okay, so this is a CAD drawing. So and then, so we are going to. So I'll just do a sketch here. Okay, so for example, the first mullion will be something like this, and go straight up and go back here, and then the middle one will be like this, and go straight up and horizontal and go straight down. Okay, so and also on the other side will be a mirror of this one. And also for this we can use we can model this part as a curtain panel. Okay, so let's model some profile of the mullions. So line, let's pick line 1, 2, 3, 4, and also another one goes straight up. So trim, tr, trim. Oops. Okay, so now this is the first one, and then I'm going to just let me just delete this cat and save as family. So I'm going to save it on my desktop, and also so these are some name I already so I previously did. I just had a test one. So now I'm just going to name this as mullion vertical left. So I'll just overwrite this one. Okay, save, and yes. And now I'll just Control Z, go back, so we can bring back the CAD. So now I'm going to draw the internal one. Okay, so I'll delete this one, and I'll just move. So first I'll just unpin this DWG. Sorry, it's not pinned. That's good. So I'll just move this to the center of this. Okay, so can't pick the center. That's fine. I'll just draw this profile. So pick line 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from here go straight up, and a trim, and then I'll select all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and move, and the center. Actually, hang on. So actually what I'm going to do is I'll just move this profile to this end. So I think it's easier for me to because we can just align all the mullions and the panels easier to use this edge than this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move this down. Okay, so now we can delete this, save as family. So this time mullion vertical, the middle ones. Save, overwrite, yes. Okay, then Control Z, bring back the DWG. So I'll just delete these. And also previously I saved that. So if I go to desktop, so okay, so that's too much. Hang on, let me just change this to date modified today. So MV left, so we just save this. I'll just open this one. I'll just move this down. So move this down to here, so it will belong to the rest of the profiles. Okay, I'll save it and I'll close it. Okay, so now let's continue. So I'll move this time. Actually, I'm not sure which one. I'll move this to here. Okay, so I'll draw. And then I'll just pick lines and 1, 2, 3, 4, and draw a line. So straight up. So trim, 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 trim. And then I'll delete this DWG and save as family. So this one will be MVR, right? Save and yes. And a Control Z, and I'll delete this profile. So now this time we are going to create the horizontal one. So I'll just move this one down. Actually, yeah, I'm not sure. Let's try, because we can always adjust the lines. So I'll just move the DWG to this center point. I'll just pick these lines and trim them. Okay, so now I'll delete this DWG file. So this will be the horizontal. So I'll save as file, family, mullion, horizontal, the bottom one. So save, yes, and Control Z, and I'll delete this, and move this down. So I'll move this down. So maybe I'll just move it to here. Okay, so now let's pick line again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one, so from here to here. And then trim, 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 trim. So now delete this DWG and then save as family. So this time it will be M horizontal top, and save and OK. So now that's all the profile. We can close it. Now we can create a new project, and first I'm going to just draw a wall WA, and I'll place this glazing only curtain wall. So I'm going to select this wall, edit type, duplicate. I'll just call it concrete wall. Okay. And now let's hang on. Because we haven't created the mullion yet, so if you won't find any mullion here, so what we need to do is I'm just going to see architecture mullion, and here, so under rectangular mullions, I'm just going to edit type. Okay, edit type. So now we can duplicate and create new mullions. So let's say vertical left VL. Okay, and then vertical VL profile here. Profile. Oh, sorry. I haven't loaded. Sorry. I haven't loaded the profile yet. So go back to here. So see these. These are the backup file, so I just need to find the latest one. So okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So drag them into this project. Okay, so now we can go to Moyen. See if so. Okay, so we need to edit type, duplicate. So vertical left. Okay, so profile. So just let's select Moyen vertical left, and also we can change the material. So we can switch to use this concrete. Okay, so now if I click OK, and I'll try just place it here. I'm not sure yet. Looks like okay. Good. So now let's create the next one, the vertical right hand side. So CS, edit type, duplicate, this time VR, okay. Select this MVR, okay, and pick here. Good. So now let's actually let me just add a grid here. Okay, so now we can select this Moyen CS, edit type, duplicate. We're going to create a new type VM, the middle one. So profile, we'll use MVM and OK, and place it here. I think it's okay. So let's once again. So select this Moyen CS, edit type, duplicate. So this time we're going to model a horizontal one. So H top. Okay, so okay, and then select this profile, MHT. Okay, so okay, place it on the top. Looks like this one's the direction of this one's not right, so we just need to fix it. But I'm just going to create another one. Okay, so CS, edit type, duplicate, H bottom. So okay, change this to hem HB, then okay. So I'll place it here. Okay, so looks like we need to adjust the profile of the top and the bottom modules. So go to a family, profile. Okay, so profile. So the top one, so right click and edit. So we just need to I'll just have a look. We need to I think we need to do we need to move or mirror? I'll just have a look at this. So okay, looks like we need to rotate it. Okay, so looks like we need to rotate it and mirror it. Okay, so let's do it. So right click, edit. So we need to, looks like we need to rotate it and mirror it. So let's mirror it first. Uncheck the copy, mirror it first, and then rotate it. I'm not sure which direction. I'll just rotate it by 90 degrees, and then I'll move it. To be honest, I'm not sure which. I'll just move it here. Let's see, and let's have a look at what happens. Okay, so load this back to project and override. Okay, looks like we need to rotate it by by 180 degrees and mirror it. Okay, let's go back. So 180 degrees, RO 180, and mirror it. So uncheck the copy. I think let's try this. Okay, oh, looks better. I think it's still not quite right. Looks like the directions we need to mirror it. Okay, so say this need to be in that where the panel is. Okay, we are close. So sorry, use DM. Use DM. We're going to use a middle point. Oops, sorry. Control Z. DM. Oops, I forgot to uncheck the copy. DM. Uncheck the copy, and I think this time should be right. Okay, so override. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so don't worry about this. We'll fix it later. Let's just fix this bottom one. Okay, so right click the MHB, edit. So it looks like we just need to move it to this corner, I think. So 200, 200, yeah, same, that's fine. So load this back into the project and overwrite. So that's good. Okay, so now let's model, let's create. Actually, let me just show you. We can just create a panel, use this system panel. Okay, so duplicate, I'll call it concrete, and okay, offset, change it to 25 to align to the edge of the mullion, and material, change it to concrete, and thickness 50. Okay, so because it's 50 here. Oops. How do I dimension in AutoCAD? It's not let me to, yep, 50. Okay, so, and okay. So let's have a look. Yeah. So now we just need to select the whole, select this whole curtain wall and edit type. So now we're going to adjust some of these settings. So first, curtain panel, I'm going to change this to the system panel we just created. So concrete, joint conditions about all these joints. So what I'm going to do is change this to border and horizontal grid continue. Apply. Okay, that's better. So and layout. So vertical. So vertical, we're going to, let me just have a look at this AutoCAD. So from here, so if I do a dimension, I think we need to pick the middle point. So this is the dimension of the mullion. So 81. I guess this is, let's say this is a maximum spacing for this structure. So if we can go maximum spacing 8, 10. Okay, so horizontal layout, none. Okay, we're not going to have a horizontal mullions, internal one. So vertical mullion. So we just need to change this to the VM border one. Actually, I'm not sure border one was left or right. I'll just pick left. Okay, so and then pick right. Pick right for the border 2. So same border 1. I'm not sure which one's top. Let's try top for the border 1 and the bottom for the border 2. Let's click OK. So now let's have a look. So this is a so this one's actually I think there's a mullion we add manually. We can just delete it. Okay, so change this. Looks okay. Everything looks okay. Okay, so looks like this one and this one, the top and bottom mullion is not right. So we need to swap them. So I'll just do a section box. So see, cut a section of this wall so we can see clear. Yeah, it looks like it's okay. So see, that's a little bit slope to the panel, and yeah, and also because you won't be able to join the mullion and the panels, so you will always see these lines, Okay, but if you do a render, you won't see because they are the same material. Okay, so okay, so we just need to swap the top and the bottom modeling. So just go edit, oh sorry, select this curtain wall, edit type, and change this to HB, change this to H top, apply, okay. Okay, so I think this is as far as we can go with this setting. So you will see the mullion will always stop. You won't be able to continue these mullion to the top to close this gap. You won't. It will always stop here. Stop where it touch the top mullion. Okay. So what we can do to fix this is, actually we can fix it, but we need to just work around a little bit. So what we can do is, I'll just do a sketch for you. So instead of have this mullion, this shape, so currently it's doing this, right? And then when a vertical mullion go up, when it touches here, it will stop. It won't go up. So what we can do is we can change the top mullion to be a rectangular shape. Okay, and then we can just so then you will say, oh, how do we do with this part? So the mullion, the vertical, this one, the vertical mullion will go all the way up to touch the rectangular mullion, and it will close this gap. What we need to do, we just need to model this, modify this panel to become a panel like this shape. So this will you will create a little slope from that. Looks like it's from the mullion. Actually, it's a part of the panel. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. So first what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the top mullion profile. So go HT, so edit. So I'll just straight this, okay, and then I'll just move this to here. Now load this back into the project and overwrite. Now you will see this, so the top becomes a rectangular shape and this vertical go touch the top, but we lose. So if I drag this to here and look at the section, so we lose this this edge, so we lose this part. So now we just need to model the panel. Instead of have a system panel just flat, we are going to create, I'll just do a screenshot. Oops, it can't, hang on, let me just drag this to here. Okay, so yeah, do a screenshot of this. Now this time, so the mullion stop there, and then we're just going to model this curtain panel look like this. Okay, so let's do it. So first I'm just going to do some dimension to make sure what to the dimension. Oh sorry, this is 50. We already know, so just do some more dimension. That's 150, and also I want to know what this one is, 20. Okay, so now let's do it. So go to Revit. So we're going to create a panel, curtain panel. Okay, so family, curtain wall panel here, this one. Okay, so I'm going to model it as a sweep. Okay, so I'll use a reference line. So I'll just draw a reference line here, and I'll just lock them. So, and also this, oops, this edge, I'll just use a line to lock them. Okay, so now we can create a sweep, and I'll use pick path. Pick this line. Okay, edit profile, go to left view. Okay, so now, so pick line, I'll lock onto this reference plane, top, bottom, and then I'll also copy this by 50 because I know the thickness of the panel is 50, and also I'll just do a dimension and lock it. So, and trim, and trim. So now we just need to create that shape. So from here, I know the dimension of this one's 150 and 20. Okay, so I just need to copy this 150 and copy this 20, and also I'll just do a dimension and lock them. So I'll just drag this, go up to here. Oh, sorry, hang on. I shouldn't. No. Just sorry. I delete this dimension first. We just need to create the shape first, and then we do the constraint. Okay. So now this is the shape, but we haven't done any constraint. So let's just do VV and check this automatic sketch dimension, so we know what we need to do. So you will see these temporary dimensions. We just need to make them permanent, or even I think we can just lock them. Yeah, maybe that should be enough. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so I'll load and I'll finish and finish. So this is the panel. Okay, so this is the curtain panel, and we are going to just create a, I'll just create a material parameter. So okay, so now let's have a little test. Go to elevation, so interior or exterior. If I drag this, oh good, drag this, oh good. Yeah, so now we can load this into the project. Okay, so go to, I'll uncheck the section box. So select this curtain wall, edit type. So instead of use this assistant panel, we just change this to the new curtain panel we just did. Click OK. So of course, material, edit type. So just use the concrete. Okay. So now let's have a look. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to tell, but if I do a section box, cut this here, and if I zoom in, you will see. So this is the curtain panel, and this is the mullion. Okay, but they together because they are same material. So yeah, if you change this to show a no edge, so it will become a one item. But because they are curtain wall, and as I said, you won't be able to join the mullion and the panel, so you always see some lines, but the geometry should be correct. Okay, so that's it. So this is the way. This is a method. The curtain wall method for this family, and of course you can also use maybe line-based family. Yeah, maybe I'll try it next time. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, please let me know, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. I'll upload this family. Okay, bye.